Hi my loves, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video we are making a leek butternut squash soup. Quick, simple and easy. It will not take you more than 30 minutes to make this soup, guys. I guarantee you. Guys, all I'm using is 4 ingredients: butternut squash, leek, onion and tomatoes. Okay, that is all that I'm using to make this delicious, awesome soup. And when it comes to spices, you can add whatever you need to add. It's entirely up to you. If you wanted to put more ingredient, you can, but this is just a quick, simple soup that you can take on to work if you want quick lunch ideas, or if you just want to incorporate this in your diet on your weight loss journey. All I've done now is, guys, with the butternut squash, it can be quite hard to cut. So be very, very careful because it's not as soft as it may look. So be careful when you are cutting it. When you do buy it in the store, I usually tend to buy it and then store it for a few days, sometimes even a week before I start cooking it. But it depends on how you want to do the butternut squash. So I've cut it out in 4 portions and I've cut it into small cubes. And then obviously I'm just gonna carve out the seed in the middle. But this is it. This is the easy option for me to do, where I take off the skin and I just go around it. It's much easier to manage in that format. But again, guys, with butternut squash, the way and how you cut it depending on what you want to achieve. Do not get rid of the seeds. I don't know what I need to do with it yet, but I'm sure the seeds cannot just be thrown away just like that. So because as you guys know, with every fruit and veg, every aspect of it is usually it just cannot be thrown away like that. So let's get to cooking. And all I've done now is I've got, don't worry about the orange bit, that's the butternut squash. I'm just gonna throw everything in my trusted Tefal pot. Okay, it's my trusted pot, guys. I guarantee you I have other one, but do you ever have one of these pots where it's like the most convenient, easy one that you just seem to use constantly and you don't even realize it? Let me know if you have one of those. So I'm just gonna mix everything in. I've got the tomatoes, I've got the butternut squash, I've got the onion, and I've got the leek, and I'm just gonna mix it all in there. Salt, pepper, some cayenne for a little bit of spice. Cayenne, this is cayenne pepper mixed with what's it called? Let me remember. While I'm remembering, guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Okay, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Okay, smoked paprika. I remembered smoked paprika, cayenne and smoked paprika to give it that extra spicy, smoky, yes, flavor. Guys, after about 10 minutes it is now ready, and all I'm doing is I'm mashing it up because it's a soup. If you want to put it in a blender, you can, but I'm just going to serve it like this because I still want I want some bits to it, you know. I just wanted to have a bit of crunch. So I've literally served myself some, and I did some extras butternut squash that I've put in the oven. So all I'm doing it now is I'm going to top it up with pumpkin seed, and this is ready to be served. This is ready to be served. You don't need to eat anything with it. If you want to keep it low carb, just have it as it is. I hope you've enjoyed.